So to make your turkey look like it's got a big bit, first of all, I just oiled it all up with avocado oil. And then you just take the neck. Usually they put the neck right inside it. They would call it gizzards inside. So go ahead and take the neck out. And that's the neck. Oil it up. Oil the whole turkey up so it doesn't burn. And then you get into you just peel the skin back and then you throw it in there in the side. So it just looks like it's hanging out with its big thing hanging out. Anyway, I'm gonna put spices on it now. Put it in the oven and we'll see how it looks when it comes out. Okay, there's my puppy. It's a boy. It's a happy boy. Actually, it looks pretty dark. Looks like dark meat. Anyway, I threw some vegetables in there and herbed it up. But yeah, that's how you make your turkey into a boy. There, I just undid his legs because they were tied together. So he's more relaxed. Just hanging out. That's funny. Can't wait to show people when they come. And then maybe I'll give it to the dog.